Welcome to Rajendra Tandon videos. In this video, I propose to take up a few more problems relating to the eyes. The first one is iritis, which is an inflammation of the iris, also known as anterior uveitis. Symptoms develop slowly. In posterior uveitis, symptoms develop with speed. Please consult a doctor. The symptoms are redness, copious watering, blurred vision, pain in the eyeball, pupil becomes small and irregular in shape. Now these symptoms cannot be overlooked. Pupil becoming small and irregular in shape. When there is pus and shooting pain in anterior chamber, give Heparsulf 200, HEPAR SULPH 200. The eyes are red, inflamed and worse on touch. When the iris is muddy in color, it requires Merck Cor 30, MERC COR 30. The eye becomes thick, it neither dilates nor contracts. These are cases of syphilis also. There is tearing, shooting, burning pain, worse at night. Most of the time for iritis, you must consult an ophthalmologist. Meanwhile, you can take homeopathic medicines as palliatives. I take up opacity. The cornea becomes opaque. There is night blindness. Now it's a very clear-cut symptom, night blindness. The patient cannot see at night while he can see in the day. Give cadmium sulfur, CADMIUM SULPH 30. In cases where cataract is developing, give Calcarea Carb 200. There is a chronic dilation of the pupils. The vision is foggy. There is fistula in the tear duct. The duct is closed on exposure to cold air. Spots and ulcers on the cornea, worse in open air and in the morning. All these symptoms ask for Calcarea Carb 200. In cases of detachment of retina, give Naphthalene 230, NaPH THA LENE 30. Sometimes you notice rings around the eyes. It's a very common phenomenon. Cosmetically, it does not look very good. Blue rings around eyes require Abrotenum 30, ABROTANUM 30. The eyes are dull. If the rings are dark, please notice, earlier we talked of the blue rings, now we are talking of dark rings. The patient is suffering from anemia, his eyes are sunken, give acetic acid 30, ACETIC acid 30. In cases where blue rings appear after excessive discharge for any reason from any part of the body, leading to debility, give China 200, CHINA 200. Blue rings when the eyes look glassy, eyeballs forcibly pressed together inwards, eyeballs forcibly pressed together inwards. You can't miss the sensation if it is there. Give phosphoric acid 30, PHOS, PHORIC acid 30. Sometimes you find that people are staring all the time. It is not deliberate. It's a problem with the eye, which requires cuprum met, CUPRUM MET 200. This happens in epileptic attacks also. Here too the same medicine will go. The eyeballs roll very quickly. Sometimes the eyes are fixed, staring, sunken, glistening. I have seen these cases. You can't miss them. Cuprum Med 200 is a great medicine in such cases, for such patients. The next issue I am taking up in this video is stare. I have done stare, sorry. I am taking tear duct blocked. When eyes are watering copiously, the cause can be a blocking of the tear duct due to an infection. It is common in babies and old persons. Copious flow with intolerable itching requires ambrosia 30, AMBROSIA 30. Non-stop excoriating discharge needs euphrasia 200, EUPHRASIA 200. If the inflamed lids are glued together, you can't open it. They're so sticky. There's bland, yellow, thick discharge. Give the patient Pulsatilla 200. In this video and others on the eyes, I have covered almost every problem relating to the eyes. Please listen carefully. Choose wisely according to symptoms. You would not be disappointed. Thank you for visiting this site and listening to me. Bye-bye.